The one thing I'd want people to take from my presentation today really is that it's easy to just make a start. I talked a lot about equitable investment into different people from marginalised groups. And really, if you condense that down again, I talked about coaching, but today, if I condense that down again, that's just really about listening to people and what they need and want and require, and then trying to deliver on that. So if we're equitable in our listening, who are we listening to? Who is shaping what we do around here? I think that organisations can make huge steps in small bite-sized moments of making a difference to their diversity, equity, inclusion.